Follow the light. Hey guys, I'm really excited to announce Inspection Wedge 2.0 is finally here. What's the difference? Better plastic and a new cutout for trim removal. Sometimes we have some trims underneath a panel and we just can't really see where it is to pop it. Well, now we have a way to add a light, see where the clip is, and we can pop it out, and we have something to grip it and to give the pressure it needs to release. Now, every inspection wedge does come with a complementary free flashlight, all right? Because that's one of the uses. Another use, this is the one I've been using for over a year now, all right? You can see the use of it as I've been testing it. These are made to fit micro stream lights that you can get on any tool truck, all right? Mine's rechargeable, lots of lumens. I put a little bit of tape around it to where it fits in there snug, and then whenever I need to take it out to use it for other things. So when I'm doing a repair and I have my window wedge in there, I now can use my zero gravity knockdown from Dent Vision, and it holds in there, and whenever I need it, just pop it out. Same thing with a VIP. It holds it there. So I'm not having to reach back and forth. It's always right there next to me, ready to go. Another thing I've come to find is a lot of my body shop guys, every once in a while need to use borescope to kind of see what's going on. They don't want to have to take everything apart. So if they can take this guy, wedge it into something, and then put the borescope through there into the panel, that actually can save them a little bit of time and not having to de-trim a whole bunch of things. So that's another use that I wasn't aware of until one of the bodymen that I know uses it told me about it. So lots of uses for this. We just added one more. You now can use this to remove trim. So these are going to be available soon. I know right now KECO and Willey Quick have them, and many more are going to be carrying them sooner rather than later. So check it out. Inspection Wedge version 2.0, complementary flashlight for you guys. But like I said, I do recommend a micro stream light. That is what I use in mine.